Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the apps inside Shopify. First of all, you have to come to the Shopify App Store, and after that you should write something like start trust page. Okay, TRUS trust page. Okay, so if you trust page, okay, trust page, and let's remove this one, and I will like the search again. Now I will see trust page apps. So this one, most of the time I use that, and then I see that I'm getting very good result with that. So that's why I'm going to install this one. And after that I will add all of this thing. Okay, so it's pretty simple and straightforward, nothing complicated here. So that will be done. I will just click again to install, and it will take a little more time to install this one. Okay, let's click install again. Okay, once that will be done, you have to enable, click on the enable. Okay, now it's enabled, and what you would like to add, and we can express. So I will have to go to WhatsApp. So now guys, I have added all of them. So now I'm going to go to the Shopify. And I need to come to the dashboard, and once I come into over here, I just need to add the block into the product page. It's very simple and straightforward, nothing complicated here. So once I come into over here, my next steps will be go to the product page. Okay, once I come to the product page, then I will to edit it. Okay, so make sure that you have enabled these apps into over here, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay. So let's click on over here and let's remove this one and come into over here. Okay, so let's select this section. So I'd like to come to the product page. Okay, so here's the take the product information into over here. I'm just going to select over here. I would like to add under the bottom. Okay, trust page, as you can see here, it is showing here, but here is only showing 4. Okay, so I said that only showing 4, so that's the issue. No customization setting available. There is no customization settings available. See, if I go to the product page, if I refresh, now I think it will show again. Okay, so now you see 4 items are showing here. Pretty simple and straightforward. So guys, finally I have prepared with the another app. So previous app that wasn't good, so that's why I have removed this code and all this stuff. So I will just also remove this, this apps again. So let's come in over here. Okay, so it's just loading. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So if you really like this video, subscribe, and then if you want, you can actually come to our agency website. We build the Shopify website, and you can see you can take your free, you can claim our free service. So you can actually contact with us, and then we will create a free Shopify store, and then here's the process and everything. If you come to the service, you can understand for the drop shipping what type of service, what the process for the business, for the real brand who already have the original brand, what type of service you provide, and also for the pricing you see here. So pricing and all this stuff. So if you want, you can explore, and then you can actually explore about us. Our team actually working on it, so you will soon actually understand how you work. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video so far. If you have any more question, let me know in the comment box, and there will be WhatsApp button, so you can reach out to me on the WhatsApp as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.